Hello, my friends, follower, listener, dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will fine and doing very awesome trading. Okay, today, as we talk in the group, we are going to start a forex trading course. So, first of all, I want to introduce about course, what is included in this course, how we make you a profitable trader in this market. Is binary market, currency forex market, or index market, stock future market, any kind of market will make you an awesome trader. You enter in any market, you will make awesome profit. Okay, so what include in this forex, how to learn forex trading. First, the concept will clear how to learn forex trading. So simply you have to follow our course PDF files and videos and instructions simply given by us. So you will learn all things properly and understand how we use this for making awesome traders. First of all, we'll introduce what is forex trading, how we do forex trading, currency forex trading, binary trading, boom and crush. Especially that thousands of people like to doing binary.com, boom and crush trading. As we noted on social media, thousands of YouTube or thousands of social media activities just about boom and crush. How do we catch spike? How we follow the trend? How we sell and buy? Many questions daily basis. People ask me in group. So what's about boom and crash? What will be happening in boom? What will be happening in crash? So many things. So we'll introduce what is forex trading. This is the first concept of this course. Okay, we'll introduce what is forex trading. Once this concept is clear, actually what is the purpose of forex trading market? Okay, what kind of this market, how we trade in this market. The first concept once clear, will next step forward in course. Okay, we'll teach you how to analyze of market by self. Okay, what is analysis? We'll show you what is analysis, what's mean of analysis, how we do analysis. Once and chart open behind you, how once you look at see a chart, like say Euro USD chart is open, once you see how you will trade, you will buy or sell, how you take the decision of placing order. No, you don't have any idea. So we'll give you the complete instruction, complete tutorial of technical and price action based things. You will understand properly how to analysis of this market. Okay, the next and the third concept in this course will teach you how to make strategy by self. Okay, many guys in our public group, I know they bring charts. As you all guys know, we allow the chart sharing only in our group. Okay, as I seen that many people using RSI. Okay, RSI is an awesome, very good and accurate indicator in forex market. Many people using moving average crosshair. Moving average crossover is also an awesome trading indicator. Okay, many guys using a stochastic accelerator, many guys using awesome accelerator, many guys using 2 and 3 combination of indicators and making strategy just by self. No any calculation, no any idea of a forex market, no any idea of a price action, price momentum, no any idea of a spread and a volume. Just they bring the strategy and set up all indicators with self, with guess, with his mind. They don't calculate and they don't have knowledge of a calculation, how we calculate the moving average based strategies, the RSI based strategies, how we set up the levels of indicators, how we set up the parameters and the required volume based and price based the indicators data. But they just guess and by his mind set up the strategies. We'll clear this concept in our course and we'll teach you how to make strategy by self and a great and successful strategies. Once you test with strategy tester, with back testing, back history testing, once you see the difference and something like say difficult in strategy. Okay, let's say that you set up a moving average based strategy. Okay, and you know that moving average one cross each other we trade. Okay, once again cross each other we exit our trade. Okay, you set up a strategy. Okay, once you started trading on M1, M5, M15, M13, H1 and H4 time frame. Okay, you choose any time frame. Market comes in inbound position. Okay, once market come in a bound state, once you see that moving averages crossing each other, you enter the trade. Again after few pips movement, that market again pull back and all moving average crossing each other, you confused. So that strategy setup will concept, this concept will clear how to successfully set up a pro strategy. Okay, and the next will give you an awesome trading system. As you all guys know, our team, our developer team always bring and hard work for you guys, and awesome trading systems set up, awesome trading custom indicators they set up based on calculation, based on volume and spread, based on the price momentum, based on many more things of calculation based. Okay, and they set up. Once they successfully test and with results they show this is very accurate and a good 70, 60 and 80% results, they launch the system and we post in our group. As you all guys know, okay, the next step of number 5 will give you course of this system. Okay, how to trade using this system. Okay, how we avoid the losses, how we make profit in market. Okay, in this course, the next lesson will give you access of our VIP group. You all guys know that many people request it because they all beginners and they all don't have knowledge of market, how we enter, how we analyze and how we buy and sell. So they think this is an awesome idea to join our VIP group where we post a daily basis, binary and currency basis all setups that market, like say that VIP group is a signal group related to binary.com and related to forex trading. If you are a forex trader, come, we'll add you in VIP group. If you are in a binary trader, we'll add you in binary group. You will choose the boom and crash and other volatility all pairs 75, 25, 10 and 50, 100, all pairs included in our signal VIP group. Okay, once our trader analyze the market and they see successful and a good setup of, they post signal in VIP group. Same work for forex trading group. Okay, forex trading VIP group, once they seen an awesome setup, they also post in group and people's making more and more profit. Okay, if you join this course, we'll give you 1 month free of cost 1 month access of VIP signal group, access of VIP signal group, access of trading system, free of cost. Okay, and that one boom and crash for binary.com broker users will give you boom and crash spike and scalping awesome strategy which will be help you analyze the trend, analyze the short term, analyze the swing trading and also analyze the spike trading. Okay, so this is the all introduction of our course we are going to start. So if you want to take part in this, so kindly all details in description, contact with me, will add you and forward all details. Learn by self and make more money. Trading is very easy, you just need to patient, and with patient trend follower always win, always win, there is no chance of fail. Okay, the knowledge is all thing, first learn and then earn. Okay, Traders Profit Club always here to help you. Thanks for all. May God bless you and may God help us all to make future very good. Thank you.